Snow is on the way. Good afternoon. Forecaster Mark Spencer from Ohio News and Weather. Just a quick little update here. We did just post an updated snowfall map to our Facebook page about 12:15 this afternoon. Let's take a look at that. All right, here's the latest and greatest, folks, right now. Pretty high confidence that we have 10 to 14 inches of snow across a wide portion of the state. There is some model agreement that we could see spots within this dash red line where we could see a little bit more than 14 inches. Again, that's spots, not a widespread swath, although there was some hints of that. Not completely sold on that. Further south across southern Ohio and portions of southeastern Ohio, a little bit less, 6 to 10 inches, maybe locally more where some sleet or freezing rain doesn't mix in. But we do see the potential for some sleet and freezing rain to mix in, at least for a few hours in spots, and that could reduce totals a little bit to something we're going to have to keep an eye on. A little bit less across northwestern Ohio. Travel, we don't recommend travel. That's why we have that threat listed as extreme. Does get windy out there at times, but we're not looking at blizzard conditions. However, could see some whiteout conditions here and there for a time in many spots, and there's the potential for some power outages. Our snowfall forecast brought to you by our partner Canopy Management. As far as timing goes, again, this is timing, not snowfall here. Generally 4 to 8 p.m. across portions of southwestern Ohio. Some of that snow may not reach the ground initially, but it will after just a couple hours. We're looking anywhere from 8 p.m. to about 1 a.m. for much of central, eastern, and northwestern Ohio. A little bit closer to 10, 12 or so across far northwestern Ohio. And then for northeastern Ohio, generally after 1 a.m. this all works in. By 3 a.m., the entire state is seeing the effects of this storm. And it's a doozy, folks. Here's our storm right now moving across portions of Missouri, out of Arkansas, a lot of snow back into Oklahoma, parts of Texas seeing wintry precip, coming in now into Tennessee, Kentucky, southwestern Indiana, and the southern half of Illinois. It is on the way. So definitely stay safe and stay warm and stay with Ohio News and Weather for the very latest weather updates.